Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to share a pattern and its name is triangle pattern. Surely you know that there are some patterns in Forex which are very popular and give good feedback. So today we will share how you follow this pattern. It can be followed in several ways, among which we will share the ascending triangle pattern and descending triangle pattern. So we will share everything, so there have some topic in today's video. First, how to draw this pattern. Secondly, how to do analysis, and last one is how to get entry by following this pattern. So stay with us. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. You are watching today's video triangle pattern. There have many patterns in Forex, such as flag pattern, rectangle pattern, wedge pattern, triangle pattern, etc. Surely you know this thing. Follow this playlist for those who want to watch this pattern and learn this pattern. Here all the videos are given in serial form. So today we will talk about the triangle pattern. Surely you know the triangle. I think everyone know it. The triangle that we usually see have three angles. We have to find such triangle in Forex and we have to do analysis. Let's start with the ascending triangle pattern. The triangle you see on the screen is called ascending triangle pattern. So how do you recognize it? Surely you know what a triangle is. You can see here in this pattern there are three angles, that is, it's a triangle. So the ascending triangle pattern is that there will be a resistance line at the top and a trend line at the bottom. I am saying again that the ascending triangle pattern is that there will be a resistance line at the top and a trend line at the bottom. But this will not be drawn automatically. This you have to draw. Those who are fairly expert and know a little bit about this may have figured out how to draw. First, you have to set up this line by looking at the back point. As you can see, here is a back point, then we got one here, then you can see a little ahead the market has came to this point again. So we will draw a resistance line by looking at this back point. That means market come to this point and can't get more. From this point market went back. So this is a back point. So we draw a resistance line. Then we can see that some back point have been made in the same way below. Market went down and turned around again. That's why there have some back point. But here one is below and one is above. So we will set up a trend line with these 2 points. So we draw 2 lines and now you can see what it looks like. It's totally like a triangle. So we will now wait for the market to break the upper resistance and rise to the top. Whenever the market breaks the resistance of the market, then we can take buy entry. In other words, the market will create a bullish structure by breakouting this resistance line. So we understand the buy entry system from this ascending triangle pattern. Let me explain the matter a little bit. First of all, look at the ascending triangle pattern. There will be resistance at the top and a trend line at the bottom. I have already said how to draw this. You will set up by looking at the back point. So after setuping, if you see that it looks like triangle, then this is a triangle pattern. And for ascending triangle pattern, you will get a resistance above. So when the market break out this resistance line, you can take buy entry. So this is ascending triangle pattern. Now there is the another one. This is descending triangle pattern. So how to follow it? We will let you know, but before that I would like to request you, those who still don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Hit the subscribe button by watching this video. So let's take a look rest video. So the descending triangle pattern is the opposite of the ascending triangle pattern. That is, if we reverse the ascending triangle pattern, then the descending triangle pattern will come. Surely you can see it on the screen. It features a support line at the bottom and a trend line at the top. We saw at the previous pattern that there was a resistance line at the top, but here you will get a support line at the bottom and a trend line at the top. Surely you can understand now. So master it and take a note. So you have to draw this just like before, which means you will set up by looking at the back point. If it shows such a pattern after setting trend lines and support line, then it must be understood that it's a descending triangle pattern. You have to set up a trend line by looking back point at the top and bottom. After setting, you must see that it looks like a triangle. So it's called descending triangle pattern because of the support below and a trend line above. So it's time to wait and take entry. Here you will take sell entry. I'm saying again, here you have to take sell entry. That means when the market breaks the support line and goes down, then you will take sell entry. I am mentioning again, in the ascending triangle pattern, you will take buy entry, and in the descending triangle pattern, you will take sell entry. Now the problem is that many don't understand when to break out or when to retest. So many times we have to make a loss by entering with false signal. So you have to refrain from this false signal. It's not hard to understand when the market will break out or when the market will make retest. We discussed this thing in a video. So if you watch that video, you will understand how to know breakout. Then you can follow this strategy by knowing this. So definitely watch this video to know breakout pattern. So when you see the market breaks the support line or resistance line strongly, then you have to understand the market will break out the line. That means if the support breaks, then the market will be bearish. That's why you will see the candle. If the market break the line with a few candle and same color, then you will get confirmation and there have some candle pattern. So watch that video we have mentioned earlier, because there have also some more issues that we have presented in that video and shown how to understand that the market will break out. So watch that video without delay. Breakout strategies are very effective, so if you do this, it will be helpful to you. But first, take a good look at this structure and try to find out when the market is creating a structure and analyze accordingly. Another thing to keep in mind, don't forget to use a big profit ratio. At least you should use 1:3 profit ratio so that your 1 profit can recover your 3 loss. And do practice properly in the demo, then come to real trading if you can make profit in demo. So this is today's video, and before finishing the video, let's take a look this pattern shortly. First, you have to set up this line by looking at the back point. As you can see, here is a back point, then we got one here, then you can see a little ahead the market has came to this point again. So we will draw a resistance line by looking at this back point. That means market come to this point and can't get more. From this point, market went back. So this is a back point. So we draw a resistance line. Then we can see that some back point have been made in the same way below. Market went down and turned around again. That's why there have some back point. But here one is below and one is above. So we will set up a trend line with these 2 points. So we draw 2 lines and now you can see what it looks like. It's totally like a triangle. So we will now wait for the market to break the upper resistance and rise to the top. Whenever the market breaks the resistance of the market, then we can take buy entry. In other words, the market will create a bullish structure by breakouting this resistance line. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you're creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the FOREX BD's link. If you use FOREX BD's link, then you will get numerous benefit. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card, and you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time, do your account under FOREX BD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. FOREX BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.